Still waiting for your COLA notice? Before you panic, you need to know this. Your 2026 Social Security amount may already be updated, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to check it, safely, officially, and online. Before we begin, please take a moment for this professional disclaimer. This video is intended strictly for educational and informational purposes. It does not provide legal advice, financial advice, or retirement planning advice. Social Security benefit amounts, COLA increases, and payment schedules vary by individual record. Always verify your personal benefit information directly with the Social Security Administration through official SSA channels or at ssa.gov. Now let's begin. If you are watching this video right now, there is a strong chance you are feeling uncertain, concerned, or even a little anxious. You may have been checking your mailbox every day. You may have been waiting for an important letter, and that letter still has not arrived, your COLA notice. And when Social Security is your primary source of income, that silence can feel heavy, especially in December. This is the time of year when people plan, budget, and try to feel secure about the months ahead. So when that notice doesn't come, the worry starts to build. You may be asking yourself, did I miss something? Did my COLA increase get delayed? Did something go wrong with my Social Security benefits? Let me say this clearly, right from the start. Not receiving your COLA notice does not mean your increase is missing. And you are not alone in this situation. Every year, millions of Social Security beneficiaries experience delays in receiving their COLA letters. Mailing issues happen, address changes happen, postal backlogs happen, and December and early January are the busiest months of the year for the Social Security Administration. What matters most is not the letter. What matters is the update in the system. The 2026 Social Security COLA increase is already being applied. For most beneficiaries, updated benefit amounts begin appearing in records in December, with higher payments starting in January 2026. The letter is only a notification, it is not the increase itself. That distinction is extremely important. In this video, I am going to calmly and clearly walk you through 3 official ways to check your 2026 Social Security amount online. These are trusted methods, these are safe methods, and they work even if your COLA notice was delayed, lost, or never delivered at all. By the end of this video, you will know exactly where you stand and what to do next. Let's start with the first and easiest method, and for many people, the fastest. Your My Social Security account. If you have internet access, this is the most direct way to see your updated benefit amount. Go to ssa.gov and sign in to your My Social Security account. If you already have an account, this step usually takes less than a minute. Once you are logged in, navigate to the section that shows your benefits. There you will see your current monthly Social Security payment. That amount already includes your 2026 COLA increase. You do not need the mailed notice. You do not need to wait. The system updates before the letters go out. Many people assume the letter must arrive first. But in reality, the online record is updated earlier. If you see a higher amount than before, that increase is your COLA. Now, if you tried to log in and had trouble, maybe you forgot your password, or maybe you never created an account, do not panic. There is another official option. Still on the Social Security website, you can access your benefit verification letter. This is an official SSA document. It shows your current benefit amount and reflects any COLA adjustments that have already been applied. You can view it online, download it, or print it. For many people, this document provides the same information they were waiting to receive by mail. And now let's talk about the third method, which is especially important for those who cannot access the internet easily. You can contact the Social Security Administration directly by phone. After your identity is verified, a representative can confirm your 2026 Social Security benefit amount, check your mailing address, and resend your COLA notice if needed. This option takes more time, especially during December and January, but it remains an official and reliable way to get answers. Now I want to pause here and address something emotional because it matters. For many seniors, Social Security is not extra money. It is essential income. It pays for housing, medication, food, and utilities. So when communication feels unclear, anxiety is a natural response. But information brings clarity, and clarity brings peace of mind. Here is another important reminder. Your COLA increase does not arrive as a separate check. It is included in your regular monthly Social Security payment. If you are expecting a separate deposit, that will not happen. The increase shows up as a higher monthly amount. Also remember this, you do not need to apply for COLA, it is automatic. If you are eligible, it is already included in your benefit calculation. As we approach January 2026, this information becomes even more important. The sooner you check, the sooner you can plan with confidence. If this video is helping you feel more informed and less stressed, please take a moment to like it. It helps this information reach other seniors who may be facing the same uncertainty right now. And if you want to stay updated on Social Security changes, COLA increases, and income-related topics for seniors, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. We focus on clear, accurate information designed to support and protect seniors. Before we close, one final reminder, only trust official Social Security sources. Be cautious of random websites or messages promising instant answers. Accuracy matters when it comes to your benefits. Thank you for spending this time with me. I truly appreciate your trust. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and stay connected with Income for Seniors.